Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Carl. You are hopefully aware that Festool provides an extensive range of dust extractors that link seamlessly to your power tools. The Festool system delivers uncompromising results, extracting dust at its source where it is produced, allowing you to work efficiently and, more importantly, in a safe, clean and healthy environment. The Festool range of dust extractors offer the perfect solution for every application, dust classification and workplace. You may not be aware, however, that Festool also offers a professional range of vacuum cleaners. There are two in the range, the CT15E and the CT25E. Festool also make vacuum cleaners. Why? We at Festool understand that although many of you operate your tools using a dust extractor, eliminating as much dust at source as possible, there are many tasks that are completed by using hand tools, and you undertake lots of other activities during your day-to-day work that create dust. To manage and control this dust, many tradespeople will therefore carry a separate vacuum cleaner as well as your dust extractor. Alternatively, you may be a professional cleaner, maintaining several cleaning contracts. So why wouldn't you want the same Festool quality that our dust extractors offer from your vacuum cleaners? Perfectly designed to meet the most demanding of cleaning tasks, the Festool vacuum cleaners share many of the same features as the Festool dust extractors. It makes sense. It saves you having two different dust bag systems, two different sets of filters, and the Festool vacuum cleaners offer the same level of build quality and robustness you expect of Festool products. So, no matter where you need to clean, the office, car or van, workshop or job site, the Festool range of vacuum cleaners have you covered. Available in two sizes, the CT15 has a dust collection capacity of 15 litres and the CT25 has a capacity of 25 litres. Both operate and function the same. All that changes is the size of the dust collection capacity. Let's take a closer look at some of the features of the vacuum cleaners. Easy handling and transportation. The ergonomic, compact design and low weight enable easy and convenient transportation. The strong chassis and wheels are designed to last, and when paired to the optional telescopic handle, make transportation even easier. When cleaning, you are always on the move and the vacuum cleaner needs to move with you. So, no brakes are installed, preventing accidental braking and the connection of the hose and cleaner being broken. The hose is neatly folded away on top of the vacuum cleaner and secured into position with an elasticated securing strap. The onboard storage container contains and secures the included upholstery and crevice cleaning nozzles and provides extra storage space, perfect for storing other cleaning materials or additional cleaning accessories from the Festool range. It also houses and protects the connection port where the hose is connected to the vacuum cleaner and stows the power cable when stored or transported. The dust-sealed power button and touch button controls ensure a long service life and operation even when wearing gloves. When cleaning different surfaces, different levels of vacuum power are required and can be controlled using the 5 preset vacuum power settings or by opening and closing the bypass valve on the hose nozzle. Switching from carpets to hard floors is a perfect example. The 2 side clips allow access to the dust container for simple bag change. A filter bag should always be used to prevent clogging of the filter. On the side of the vacuum cleaner, you will find the clever, simple, easy change filter. When required, the filter is easily replaced or the filter can be changed to a wet filter to clean up spills of liquids. Yes, just like our dust extractor range, the vacuum cleaners can also be used for wet and dry vacuuming applications. The extraction nozzle of 27mm means all Festool cleaning accessories and cleaning kits are compatible. The full range can be found on our website www.festool.co.uk. Just choose the cleaning attachment or kit that suits you most. Available in 240 volt only, the vacuum cleaners, unlike extractors, are not suitable for use on a UK construction site. Please be aware the vacuum cleaners have no classification rating, so are not advised for use with hazardous dust. Please note, it is the responsibility of the user to ensure any collection of hazardous dust is done with the correct level of filtration. Best of all, these vacuum cleaners, being Festool, are of course covered by the Festool Warranty All-Inclusive Package. 3 years free of charge service and repairs, 3 years theft protection cover, and a 10-year spare parts guarantee. So, if you're after a professional vacuum cleaner or a professional dust extractor, Festool has you covered. I'm Carl, and thank you for watching Festool TV.